Welcome to Jingle Tots TV. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Maxim! Uh-oh! But how did dinner turn into that?
Tonight, you two are the chefs.
Let's do it! Awesome!
Chef hats on, let's go, go, go! Chop and mix nice and slow.
Emma, Max, let's cook tonight! Emma is making vegetable pasta. Max is making a dinner sandwich. I'll make the biggest sandwich ever! Let's do it! Chop, chop, mix it up. Drop, drop, fill the cup. Red tomato, green peas too. Yellow cheese, yum, yum, yum. Mix it, round and round. Dinner fun is all around. 1, 2, 3 tomatoes. 1, 2 carrots. 1, 2, 3 peas. Cooking dinner, easy peasy. Awesome! Stack it high. Will it touch the kitchen sky? One more slice. Oh my, awesome! Uh-oh, your sandwich! Awesome. Pick it up, put it back, build it on a steady stack. Let's do it! You help me, I help you. That's what good chefs do. Thanks, Emma. 5, 3, 2, 1. Done? Done! Dive! 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow!
2 amazing dinners!
Awesome!
Emma's pasta is delicious.
Max's sandwich is very creative.
Who won? Yeah, who won?
Emma wins Best Colors.
Max wins most creative.
And you both win Best Teamwork.
Chef hats on, hip hip hooray! Buddy, that's not your dinner. Looks like Buddy wanted to be a chef too. Awesome! Chef hats off, hip hip hooray. See you next time.